Almost any car can make it to 200,000 miles and beyond if you spend enough money on it, but that might be very expensive. The better option is to buy a reliable model and properly maintain it. Make sure you follow the maintenance schedule and take care of minor problems as they arise. These are the top 6 most problem-free cars, minivans, and SUVs that have proved to go 200,000 miles or more according to surveys of Consumer Reports members. The vehicles are presented in ascending order, starting from the bottom. The rank is based on the percentage of vehicles with 0 problems reported in the past 12 months. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. The 4th-generation Highlander looks, feels, and drives in a very familiar way as previous generations. Hybrid or non-hybrid powertrains are available. Front-wheel drive is standard, and all-wheel drive is optional. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors team up for a combined 243 horsepower and CVT transmission in the hybrid version. The hybrid version delivers an impressive 35 miles per gallon overall. Toyota has stepped up its infotainment game by finally making Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility standard. The Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 suite includes standard forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assistance. It also includes the convenience of adaptive cruise control. Prices start at $36,000 for base model and at $40,000 for hybrid model. All told, it's a smart choice for families looking for a do-it-all vehicle, but it is not a standout. Number 5. Toyota Sienna. The redesigned Sienna is one of the most practical vehicles. It can seat up to 8 passengers, averages impressive 36 miles per gallon, has a long cruising range, rides comfortably, is available with all-wheel drive, and has an extremely functional interior. The Sienna has only one powertrain combining the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and electric motor and generating combined 245 horsepower. Front-wheel drive is standard with all-wheel drive optional. The ride is comfortable. The handling is on par with other minivans, and it feels reasonably responsive at normal speeds. The interior is extremely flexible because the second-row seats have the ability to be pushed forward and fold, so they are always with the vehicle. The Sienna comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 2.0 suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic warning, lane departure warning, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. Prices for the base front-wheel drive model start at around $36,000. Number 4. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of the better among the small SUV class with good fuel economy, roomy interior, and standard safety features. Traditional 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine combined with CVT transmission generates 190 horsepower and delivers 28 miles per gallon overall. The hybrid version gets 35 miles per gallon but is slower and has more engine noise. The CR-V corners with contained body roll and quick steering, though it's not as sporty as the Ford Escape or Mazda CX-5. Advanced safety gear such as forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking come standard. Also, standard is lane departure warning and lane keep assistance. Note that blind spot warning is not available on lower trims. Prices for the base model start at around $27,000 and for the hybrid at $32,000. Overall, the Honda CR-V is a very competitive, highly functional, and economically sound choice. Number 3. Toyota Prius. The 2022 Toyota Prius remains a remarkably efficient hatchback, but it's no longer the leader in hybrid area. The powertrain generates 121 horsepower, which amounts to lazy acceleration. It delivers 56 miles per gallon. However, the Hyundai Ioniq Blue outperforms it, achieving 59 miles per gallon. On the plus side, the Prius is the only compact hybrid that offers all-wheel drive or an electric motor that functions separately from the hybrid system and powers the rear wheels. The Toyota just isn't nearly as compelling as the Honda Insight sedan, and the Toyota Corolla Hybrid is less expensive and almost as fuel efficient. Prices start at around $25,000. The Prius comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense Active Safety System. Number 2. Honda Accord. The redesign of the Accord added turbocharged engines, an available hybrid powertrain, comprehensive changes to the control layout, and standard crash avoidance features, all wrapped in an attractive coupe-like body. The lineup starts with a 192 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine combined with a CVT transmission. The more powerful is 252 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that comes with the 10-speed automatic that shifts with an almost seamless nature. A hybrid is also available and is powered by a four-cylinder gasoline engine and 2 electric motors. The Accord's chassis is well sorted and encourages the driver to push the car hard through corners, where it exhibits a minimal amount of body roll. It strikes a winning balance between a sports sedan and a practical family car. The 1.5-liter version averages 31 miles per gallon overall, and the hybrid returns 47 miles per gallon. The controls are much more user-friendly than before, and the radio even includes 2 actual knobs. The infotainment system also works better and features vivid, colorful graphics. Prices start at $27,000 for base 1.5-liter model and at $28,000 for hybrid model. The Honda Sensing suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features is standard. It includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams across the board. Number 1. Toyota Camry. The 2022 Camry offers sleeker styling, improved fuel economy and handling, plus standard advanced safety systems that differentiate it among the bunch of midsize sedans available. Based on an all-new global platform shared with the C, HR, and Prius, the 8th generation Camry is lighter on its feet in the corners. The Camry has long held the distinction as a competent, well-rounded, reliable, and pleasant family sedan. The standard 203 horsepower four-cylinder engine pairs with 8-speed automatic transmission, and the hybrid version has less powerful version of that engine combined with 2 electric motors. The quickest of this lineup is the 301 horsepower V6 engine. This generation of the Camry is fun to drive, unlike its predecessors. The steering is pleasantly weighted when cornering. The hybrid option also has regenerative braking mixed in with the normal brakes. The suspension soaks up bumps easily and delivers a pleasant ride. The base version achieves 32 miles per gallon overall, while the hybrid version is even more economical with 47 miles per gallon overall. All Camrys come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, which includes forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection and lane departure warning with steering assist. Blind spot warning and rear cross traffic warning are available. Prices start at $26,000 for base four-cylinder model and at $28,000 for the hybrid model. The hybrid is the best version to get with its 47 miles per gallon, no compromise to acceleration or trunk space, and a quieter engine. The LE hybrid gets better fuel economy than the SE and XLE hybrid trims because it uses a lithium-ion battery. Thanks for watching. Before you go, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button on for more informative videos. Stay tuned!